What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Can this be my everyday smartphone? Let's check it out. All right, so we're gonna unbox this bad boy up. This is the 512 gigabyte version from Samsung, and it is the Phantom Black. A very slim box. As we know, this does not come with a brick charger. It only comes with the Type-C cable. So Samsung is going stealth with their color and their boxing. We're gonna go ahead and bust this up. Now, I did not get the original Fold, and I didn't buy the original Fold 2 when it came out. This one I did get. And you're asking me, why did you get this, Android Stud? Well, the reason is I did have the Fold 2 for about a couple days. I bought it used and I just didn't like opening and folding the device, so I got rid of it real fast. But this time I'm gonna give this one a shot. Ooh, look at that presentation. Now, this is a smartphone, people. Think about that. Put your mind around what this is. This is a damn smartphone these days. This is crazy. You know, but with foldables, they got the Galaxy Z Flip. They have the Fold 3. They have some other companies coming out. This thing is beautiful. Now, this is $17.99 out the box. All right. So it's a pretty penny. Now, the Fold 2 was $19.99. Now, this comes in this Phantom Black, Phantom Green, Phantom Silver. Now, it has the 7.6-inch display on the internal, and then the external here is 6.2. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the plastic. Ooh, we like that noise. Oh, so oh yeah, sorry, my bad. But I'm just excited, man. I was really looking forward to this device. I really didn't order the first two, but this third generation, I'm really looking forward to checking out. So let's look at this. Yes, sir. Look at that. That is just an absolute gorgeous baby, huh? Woo. Wow. So that's the internal. Here's the cameras. You got the triple dozen there with the 12 megapixel main. You got the 12 megapixel ultra wide and the 12 megapixel telephoto rear cameras. Now you have a front camera here, which is 10 megapixel. And that's probably the one you want to use, because this year Samsung came out with a new under display camera, which is a 4 megapixel camera under display, which is kind of cool. If you ask me, but they're trying something different. You know, I'm wondering the durability on this. This one this year has a durability is a little better because they have the IPX8 waterproofing. But this is gonna be pretty cool. Also, they added the pen support for this one, and also you also get the 120 hertz on the front screen and also on the inner screen. I know with the Fold 2, you had 60 hertz here, and then only 60 hertz here, and then you had the 120 on the inside. We're gonna go ahead and agree to the term and condition, the policy. We don't need no data. That's optional. You guys don't have to fill that out, just so you guys know. But this is a really, now this is Gorilla Glass Victus, okay? That's one of the new things, one of the upgrades. And Samsung says it's 80% more durable than the Fold 2. So to me, that is kind of a cool thing, that it's more durable. That is a very good looking device, man. Really good looking. You got the power button there, your fingerprint reader, volume up and down, your SIM card, 500. There's no SD support. You got your Type C there. You got your hinge there to have the Samsung branding. Now this is a lighter and slimmer and lighter. It's got the Snapdragon 888, which is sweet, 12 gigabytes of RAM. You could get the 256 or you can get the 512, which is kind of cool if you ask me, but this is just an absolute, I'm really gonna enjoy using this and making videos about this phone because it's got the it's got the S Pen, it's got all kinds of new stuff, and I'm really looking forward to using this because I didn't really give the Fold 2 the proper respect that it needed, but now this is a third generation. Yeah, the Fold 2 probably could have picked it up and used it. There's your screen, man. It's kind of cool how, you know, you got a 6.2 inch screen on the front. You could do your thing and then you can open it up when you really want to get down. You know what I mean? This is just nice, bro. Yeah, this is screaming attention. Man, when you go somewhere, you just want to whip this out. I'm not kidding, man. This is just impressive. Really impressive device. But that's a really cool device. Now, you don't get a lot in the box. You get the SIM tool ejector, and then you get your Type C cable, and then you're gonna have to use your charging brick from maybe one of the other phones. Supports 25 watt charging, and also it supports 10 watt wireless charging, 4400 milliamp battery on here. So it's a little smaller than last year's. Last year's Fold 2 was 4500, but you got the S Pen digitizer layer on here, which is great. So you could doodle and do all your thing. Do whatever you want to do. You got that, you see how that funky camera, 4 megapixel camera there in the front. But I would definitely just use this one because it's probably the better camera. We'll see how that 4 megapixel, maybe it comes in handy. Zoom calls, you could probably get by with it. I'm sure it's not that bad. It's not that terrible, but listen, man, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna pick this up. I'll be doing some other videos about just checking out the walkthrough and doing all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna put my SIM card in here. I don't know if this can replace my Pixel or my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I don't know if it will, but we're gonna find out. Listen, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, comment, be part of the party, people. I appreciate you guys watching. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Phantom Black. This thing is pretty cool. Man, this is nice. Real nice.